Hello, I'm Kim Sharkey, Operations Officer with the Florida Division of Emergency Management and State Watch Office. The following is your daily situation report for March 15, 2009. The State Emergency Operations Center is currently at Level 3 or monitoring status. All nuclear power plants are operating at normal capacity. There are no major energy outages reported within the state of Florida, and all airports and seaports are open and functioning normally. All major highways in the state are open or will be open within the next 12 hours. There have been no health advisories issued for the state of Florida, and there are no known, confirmed, or suspected major attacks on major computer networks within the state. There are also no known border security or migrant issues at this time. And now for our weather.
A surface area of low pressure over central Alabama this morning will continue to lift northeast towards the mid-Atlantic coast today. Extending southeast of the low, a stationary front remains situated near the Florida border, with a cold front extending southwest of the low over Mobile Bay in the Gulf of Mexico. As the low moves northeast today, the front will become weak and stationary just northwest of the state, but a series of upper-level disturbances moving along the front will bring periods of showers and isolated thunderstorms to North Florida. This first disturbance, associated with the surface area of low pressure, will move along the front this morning and gradually move a large area of showers slowly east-northeastward. There may be a brief break or decrease in rainfall this afternoon as the low pressure area moves away from the region, but another disturbance will move across the region tonight. Instability near the front will be weak, but a few thunderstorms could develop and produce an isolated funnel cloud. However, most of the activity is forecast to be non-severe, with the main threat being heavy rainfall amounts around 1 inch, mainly over the Florida Panhandle. Central and South Florida will remain under control of high pressure through the weekend, which will keep the frontal boundary and associated moisture north of the area. A few showers will be possible over the Atlantic coastal waters during the morning hours, but any showers that make it to the coast should dissipate quickly as they move inland. Isolated showers will also be possible this afternoon as the east and west coast sea breezes move inland. The best chance for rainfall with the sea breezes will be right along the coast and then over interior areas where the two sea breezes collide during the late afternoon. However, rainfall amounts with these showers will be very light. Otherwise, mostly dry and warm conditions will continue, with widespread areas of fog developing during the late night and early morning hours through the weekend. At the coast, ocean swells and onshore winds around 10 to 15 miles per hour will result in a moderate risk of rip currents along northeast Florida beaches, with a high risk of rip currents forecast for east central Florida beaches today. The Keach-Byram Drought Index average for the state of Florida is 564 on a scale of 0 to 800. 10 Florida counties are now reporting average KBDI values above 700. With another 11 counties having KBDI values above 650. Over half of Florida is experiencing extremely dry soil conditions. Some much-needed rainfall is forecast for North Florida areas through Monday, but mostly dry conditions are forecast to continue across Central and South Florida until next Tuesday. Therefore, a high risk of wildfires is expected for the Florida Peninsula today and Monday. That's all for weather.
Remember that this time of year in the state of Florida, the state is very dry. There are many burn bans that have been issued for various counties within the state. To find out if your county is one of them, call your local county emergency management or the Division of Forestry. Also remember, when approaching an area with a wildfire, there may be dense smoke or fog on the road and makes it hard to drive, so be very careful. If you see a wildfire that you believe has not been reported, please report it to your local sheriff's office, the Division of Forestry, or your county's emergency management. If your area has a burn ban and you need a plan, get one at floridadisaster.org. That's all we have for you. Have a safe day.